everyone. So today I will be sharing with you all the recipe of a very famous Indian drink called Nimbu Pani.
한국과 인도를 잇다. 안녕하세요. 우리는 위키키입니다. 우리의 our 세 번째 영상 third video 인도 유명 드링크인 님부파니 만드는 법을 소개합니다. Making 님부파니.
위키키. 참고로 이번 영상은 우리 위키키의 막내인 티샤가 직접 님부파니 만드는 과정을 찍어 보내줬답니다.
Hello everyone. So today I will be sharing with you all the recipe of a very famous Indian drink called Nimbu Pani. Nimbu Pani is basically lemon water in English. Nimbu stands for lemon and Pani stands for water. That's in Hindi. So Nimbu Pani is something that we Indians love to consume during the summertime because it is the time when it's really hot in India and we drink it to keep our body hydrated. Besides keeping our body hydrated, it also helps in keeping our skin, makes our skin glowy, and it even makes us more fit, and it's really healthy drink, and it can be consumed by all the ages. It has no side effects and it can be easily made at home with small and basic ingredients. So the ingredients that we use in making Nimbu Pani or lemon water are very basic and they can be available at home. I hope that it helps you and you guys enjoy. So these are the ingredients that we required in making lemon water and Nimbu Pani. We require one spoon of sugar, a pinch of salt. We'll take salt less and more sugar because it is more sugary and less salty. We require some ice cubes and we require lemon. We'll cut the lemon into two pieces, like two halves like I have done, and we require half glass of warm water, not warm but the water at the normal temperature. So if you are making 1 glass of lemon water or Nimbu Pani, you'll require 1 lemon, but if you are making for 2 people, you'll require 2 lemons and 2 spoons of sugar and 2 pinch of salt. But we'll always take the water half a glass because then we add ice and cold water to it, because of which the water level rises. So we require, while adding the ingredients, we just use half the cup of water, half the glass of water like I am using. So we'll start with the first step, that is by addition of this sugar. So we'll add sugar. Now we've added sugar and now we'll stir it with a spoon, with the help of a spoon. So that you have to stir till the sugar particles are visible to you. After they are dissolved in water, you can stop. The sugar particles are no longer visible. So that means that the sugar is properly dissolved in the water. Now we'll take this lemon and we'll squeeze it into the water like this. You have to just squeeze it so that the juice, it gets into the water properly. Like the first one we did, and now the second half of the first lemon. Now we keep it aside. We'll again stir it so that it mixes properly in the water. After this, we'll add a pinch of salt. So you have to be careful that you add a little salt and not a lot of salt, because if you add a lot of salt, the sugar taste will not come and it will be a bit of salty, which is not good. So you just add a bit of like this, a bit of salt, so that you just get a small taste of the salt. All the sugar, we have added all the sugar, the salt and the lemon. Now we'll add some cold water in it so that we'll fill the whole glass of water like this. So you add cold water in it. So now we have added all the ingredients. We have added the hot water, we have added the cold water, and everything is there in the lemon water. If you want to make it more cold, you can add ice also on it in this, and you can drink it with ice or without ice, which is an optional step because it depends on person to person. You can add ice or no ice, it doesn't make a difference. It just makes the water more cooler. Now the lemon water is ready for consumption. You can consume it, you can drink it like during a snacks time, or you can drink it before a dinner, after dinner, because lemon water is also helps you to digest your food. So it is a very good drink to drink after you have your food, like after lunch, breakfast or dinner. I hope that it helps you guys, and thank you so much.
위키키 위키키.